I do want to warn you, some of these images are graphic. Months ago, a man in Hickman County was the victim of a brutal dog attack. Now, he says he and his family who witnessed the attack are still waiting for a solution.
April 4th, 2021, the day this chilling dispatch call was placed in Hickman County.
Help us, please! Yes, ma'am. I've got people en route to you.
The day Kenny Ingram was attacked by 3 dogs that bit a piece of his face off on Bon Aqua Road. And the day he's thinking about today, 43 stitches later, because the dogs that attacked Ingram are still living close by.
I can walk right out on the street within 200 yards of my home, and there they are. It's been 3 months of, fear of them things getting out. And they have gotten out, I think, 6 times since then.
On April 8th, a petition for the destruction of the dogs was filed in court. The owner of the dogs, 28-year-old Macy Steele, was served with that notice on April 21st. She failed to show up in court on April 26th. On May 12th, a destruction order was filed in court demanding Steele make necessary arrangements for the destruction of the dogs. But that order was never originally served to Steele. I contacted the Hickman County Sheriff's Office and the Circuit County Clerk, discovering an administrative mix-up. Lieutenant Michael Dotto told me normal protocol was not followed with the paperwork. Steele was never served with the order filed in May, possibly delaying the destruction of the dogs. Steele turned herself into authorities and was arrested on June 17th. She was charged with dogs at large and released on her own recognizance. In an update, authorities say the order was served to Steele on Thursday. In the meantime, Ingram only wants one thing.
Right now, I want the dogs gone. That's it. Just get them out of here so we can have peace of mind. That's it. And it's been 3 months, going on 4.
I reached out to the Hickman County Mayor's office. They say an animal control program was approved for the county and is currently in the works.
The mayor's office says the county provided a piece of property to the nonprofit Shelter Friends of Hickman County. The president of that nonprofit tells me the facility will be off of Highway 7. They're currently working to fundraise and construct that space. Once it's complete, the county will take over and staff the facility. In the studio, Alex Corradetti, News 2.